Peach Betty. My name is Morgan, and this is my son.
Solomon!
And today we're gonna bake some
Christmas cookies!
Yeah! It's been a long time since we've made a video, but we got a message from our elf friend called
Tinsel!
And he really wanted to make some Christmas cookies today. So we're gonna start by mashing up our butter with our sugar and our honey.
I love honey. The honey makes my food sweet.
We're gonna cream it all together. It's important to use karate noises. Make sure your butter is at room temperature so it's nice and soft. If it's not, then it'll be chunky.
Yep, it will be chunky. They really don't want chunky butter.
Alright. Oh! Sorry. Now it is time to add our dry ingredients, which is just, do you remember what's in here?
Flour!
Flour, baking soda, and salt. Okay. Slowly mix this together so it doesn't make a big mess. You want to try? Slow, 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 slow. Okay, we'll clean it up.
I can do that.
Yeah.
With my own hand.
No. We put it back in the bowl.
We got this recipe from the cookie book.
Yep, the Betty Crocker's cookie book from 1963.
Yeah, the Betty Crocker's cookbook for cookies.
The cookies. Alright, so we added some milk to the dough so it would come together because it was still super crumbly and I did not think that we could roll it out that way. So this looks much better. What do you think?
Squishy.
Yeah. Alright, so now we're going to take our parchment paper and dump it out.
Dump, dump, dump.
Dump, dump, dump. Ta-da! Take a second sheet and put it on top. Sullivan has his small rolling pin, and I have my big rolling pin. We're gonna roll this until it's about until it's flat. Yes, about 1/4 of an inch thick. This has baking soda in it, so they are gonna puff up just a little bit when they bake. Now our dough is nice and flat and evenly rolled out. We're going wet. We're gonna stick it on a cookie sheet and put it in the refrigerator to chill. That way it firms up and is easier to cut with our cookie cutters. Yes.
While it's in the fridge, we'll pick out our cookie cutters.
Yes. What shape do you want?
I choose letters.
Letters? I thought you were going to do a star.
Well, I'm going to go get my cookie cutters.
Okay, I'm going to put this in the fridge.
So I'm going to take the dough out of the fridge.
That's true.
And we're going to cut our cookies. And then we're going to decorate them.
When they're done baking.
Oh.
So our dough is nice and firm.
So we can make our cookies now. Okay, I'll cut my dinosaur out.
Sullivan has picked out 5 different shapes. Do I tell them what you picked?
A dinosaur, a number 3, a letter E, a rose, and a piece of love.
Yeah. So now we can just press them and cut them out. And we have our cookie sheet lined with parchment paper so it doesn't stick.
Hey, how do I get this out?
I'll show you a trick, okay? Press. Okay, wait. Make sure you press really hard. And then you can wiggle it a little bit. Wiggle it. Are you watching or just eating?
Watching.
Yep, you wiggle it. Good wiggling. And now...
Yeah!
Ta-da!
Let me do another E.
Okay, and then we press.
Press it really hard. Wiggle. Get it out. What?
So I have this scalloped cookie cutter, and then it's a regular smaller circle, and that'll be our little wreath.
Can I eat this?
No.
What?
You get a bellyache. Does this have eggs? Did I forget eggs? Am I insane? Did I just forget to put eggs in the cookie recipe? I'm literally having a heart attack. Yeah, but will it hold together? I don't know. This might completely spread and be just a big mass of cookie dough when we're done. Okay, so happy accidents. The cookies came out and they look really good, even though there is no egg in them. So
they look really good to eat.
And they smell really good too. They held their shape perfectly, so maybe it's a good...
Did you know that when you smell that yummy food, you might taste the way it smells?
Mm-hmm. If it smells good, it probably tastes good.
Yeah, if it probably smells good, then it will probably taste good.
Mm-hmm. And if you forget an egg, it seems like 3 tablespoons of milk seem to make up for it. So
yeah,
if you're allergic to eggs, there you go.
Egg seem to make the 3 tablespoons of milk seem to make the dough really yummy.
Mm-hmm. So now that they're cooling and out of the oven, we're going to make our
frosting.
Mm-hmm. And this is going to be a butter frosting. All we have is room temperature butter and powdered sugar. Mixing that together, and then we have some more milk. And make sure your milk is at room temperature so it doesn't chill your butter back up. Go ahead and pour some. Not all of it. Not all, okay, or all of it. It's fine. We'll see what happens here. That's, okay, good. Yeah, it tastes good, but this is just really runny. So I'm going to add some more powdered sugar and we'll be right back. Now that our frosting is the right texture and it's not super runny, we divided it up into 3 colors. We have
red, green, yellow.
Yep. And now we're going to put them into pastry bags so we can pipe them.
Yeah!
So they turned out really nice, I think. And they're a little golden brown because of the honey. But they smell so good. Okay, so now we have all of our frosting and our sprinkles out. So now we have our decorating station ready.
Decorated!
Yeah, so it's time to decorate. All we're going to do is cut a little bit off of our pastry bag so we have small tips. Our green, red, and yellow. And we're just going to start piping. However you want to decorate.
I'm going to start with my dinosaurs.
Alright, well, let's go.
Mine turned out really great.
Is it? Look at his little head. You're doing so good.
I'm trying to do, okay, I'm twisted, I'm pulling it down,
Yeah.
and I'm twisted.
That's great.
Well,
Go, careful. Push it down like toothpaste for you.
So,
There we go.
Finished with my dinosaur.
Look at him.
He's all colored green. Look, he's got a star mouth. He's happy.
That's so cute.
And a yellow. I'll put on yellow. Bob,
Yeah.
this cookie is for you.
That's for me? It's my favorite color.
I'll put some sprinkles on there
Mmm.
to make it look yummier.
Should we try it? I'll share it with you.
Sure.
Ready? There's a bite for you. On the bite for me?
Mmm. Yummy, yum, yum.
Yep. These are good.
I like these cookies, Dad.
Mmm.
They're pretty yummy.
Who cares if you forget an egg? They're still yummy.
Yeah. We made these cookies all to ourselves.
Mm-hmm.
And these cookies are very, very yummy.
They really are. Mm-hmm. All right. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas.
And Happy New Year!
Mm-hmm. We'll see you next time, whatever that is. Goodbye.
Okay, I'll go turn the camera off.
Okay. I got frosting on my shirt.